Hi, I'm Patrick Flannery, Transend Industries digital expert. For over 45 years, Transend has been the trusted partner for transmission shops. We're known for a wide variety of high-quality parts, unmatched customer service, and excellent deliverability. We have over 60 locations across the US, Canada, and Puerto Rico, and operate more than 440 daily runs. Long story short, we have the parts customers need, and we get it to them when they need. We can do the same for your shop. Transend can help you talk transmission. Transend carries thousands of driveline products from premium brands, complete transmissions, and transfer cases for a hands-off repair, filters and fluids, torque converters, and more. Plus, our in-house technical experts are a click or a phone call away, ready to answer your questions. More than that though, we're changing the way shops manage their repairs with Transend. Transend is an online parts marketplace, a powerfully intuitive software that eliminates the guesswork from ordering the products you need. Simply enter the vehicle's information and browse a list of parts that fit the car. Filter by brand, price, and availability. Get started by visiting transend.us. Transend Industries wants to partner with your shop and back you with our nationwide distribution footprint, not to mention our relationships with over 500 suppliers. We can help you expand your shop's business. Give us a call or click today.